welcome back to Life Experience Kitchen, the home of cooking. So, today I'm going to cook delicious soupy winter dish called Thukpa chicken noodles, which will warm our soul. Thukpa is a Himalayan noodle soup usually served with a meat and is really delicious with a lean chicken. It is popular in Tibet, Bhutan, Nepal, and some part of North India. The thuk means a heart, so it is a heart-warming dish. Now let's take a look at our ingredients. To serve, add this noodle to the center of the bowl. Pour the soup on the noodles and garnish with a lemon wedge and a fresh coriander. Here representing homemade chicken thukpa recipe. It is easy to prepare and tasty. If you are a vegetarian, you can quite easily switch the chicken for tofu or paneer and make it a vegetable thukpa. It's light, flavorful and tasty. If you are a big fan of this soupy noodle, then you will surely give a try.